How to add caption on NanoBanana AI? Let's begin with the video. First thing first, open your preferred web browser on your phone and head over to the official website of NanoBanana AI. After that, scroll down to the AI editor section. Here you will notice two options, image to image and text to image. If you choose to upload an image, then click on the add image option and choose any photo. Once your image is uploaded, you will notice a prompt box. Now to add caption, click on the prompt field and type in the caption you want to appear on your image. After you have entered your caption details, click on the generate button. Finally, NanoBanana AI will process your request and show the final result in the output section below. And that's it. That's how you can add caption using NanoBanana AI.